Roblox and more, and I am also joined with my good friend Lily.
Hi guys.
Also known as the lazy girl.
Subscribe.
Okay, so we got this in the mail today, and we brought it in. We thought we would seriously do a video. By the way, our dog got to it first.
Yep. So he was a bit too excited.
Okay.
So yeah. So
I'm gonna put my hand in. No.
and he pulls out a note.
Dear Ram, I love your videos. So here's a little gift. Yeah, sorry, tissue box, but that's okay.
So, oh my god, guys! Oh my god, there's so much good cards. He got us a whole bunch of huge Pokemon cards. So let's go open it up.
So, Chanchan, Zorak, Line Track, Primal Groudon. Oh my god, Charizard.
Oh my god.
Was that it? One,
we got
two,
like a
three,
bunch
4,
of
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 packs. So that would be 145 cards.
Cool.
We'll be opening it.
So, can we open up this?
So
Cool, so first I see Brock 6, Cavalish, Mega Catcher, Kindler, Galio, Ultra Ball,
Jinx.
Slingo. I can't say some of these. I can't say
I think
this
it's
one.
like Gothoi, Bronzong, Energy Ring. Yes, here's my pack. So we go Luntrunks, Litten, Energy, Trainer, Pikachu. Oh, the rubber band.
The rubber band's on the Pikachu. Okay.
Weedle,
Another
Energy, Little, and Torcat. Okay. This looks like it's going to be a basic pack.
Yeah.
So let's go.
So we got
Tangela, Staru, Onyx, Pikachu, I told you,
Weedle, Hunter,
Mewtwo,
I can't read it.
Gyarados, I think it is, Machop, and Metapod. Okay, here comes on. Magmite,
I see something good in there.
Blanchard, Square,
Guys, this is like so rare. Oh my god.
Interior, Ratacham, Zekron.
Oh my god, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my god.
Mewtwo.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Okay, next pack.
Another one. I got this one. I'm just not gonna read the names anymore.
Yeah, this.
Shiny.
Magmite, Clefairy, Torkoal, Pikachu, Blanchard, and Growlithe. Is that it? Okay. Hi guys, it's me. Welcome back to another Geometry Dash video. And today I'm going to be playing Geometry Dash. Strategy.
Take off the rubber band.
Strategy. Blade. Double Energy. Manchankro.
Sorry if it's like not
Passphrase.
focusing.
Meowth. Matchup. Energy. Natu. What is wrong?
Ooh. This is like a rare notch or something. Cool. Oh my god! Guys, this is like, oh my god, this is so rare.
It's the new Pokemon card. Sorry about the background noise. It's Christmas Eve, but I still can't believe
That we got this one, guys. Thank you so much, whoever sent this. They didn't.
Okay.
We're not allowed to say their name because.
That's for privacy reasons.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
So, Smoosh. Oh, this is like all greens. Okay. Steenie. Lady. Okay, I can't say these.
Swaddle. Burmy.
But thank you. This is shiny.
Brussels sprout.
We have this.
Bulbasaur.
Sorry guys about the noise.
John. A break.
Thank you guys. We need more breaks.
Oh, an REX.
Cool.
Another.
Oh my god, guys. Yes, thank you.
Zach, those cards were from me.
Sorry, guys. He's lying.
That was Jake,
He's lying.
Zach's twin brother.
He's trying to be cool and thinking that he has cool Pokemon
Because
cards.
he just posted a video like where he got fan mail from a long time ago, but he never opened it.
Okay.
And he didn't get a lot of good stuff, so
Okay, so-
he's just jealous.
Okay, so I'm ready. Go.
Hated him.
Okay, so Pinch Man. This. You know, going back to the beginners. Right on. Another Spirit Link. To the Energy, Olympus, Doublade, and Gorthra. Okay, that's it. Okay, so guys, we have Lily going on now. So go.
Scoopy or something. Another trainer card.
Backwards.
Pokemon Catcher.
Jinx. Alan Grunge.
Again, sorry about the background noise. We're having a whole big party here, but
Corby.
Scoopy, Weasel, Energy,
Okay.
Torkoal, Ragnarok. Oh my god, a GX!
Look, hold on, guys. Look.
We got
Yeah,
us
the little
matching
version.
too. Little version and the big version.
Okay, I'm ready. Look. Scurry. Akaru. Okay. Oracle. GRDZ. Hoopa! We have Go-Go. Vision. Backwards card, but it's pretty cool. It has the red writing.
Beetle.
Owl, Glug, and Ninjaris.
Oh my god, guys, that was like a really good pack. Ooh, sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys.
Oh,
This pack is
Energy,
Special Charge, Special Energy, Special Energy,
Spirit Link, Panpour, Ragnarok. So we got one more pack.
And that will be me. So guys, let's go. Okay, so Flencher, Norauto, Drifton, Outfish, Flencher, Fioro, Chansey, Ornsmore, and Meowth.
Guys, that was all the packs.
But they did
give us, but they did give us this Pokemon coin. Sorry about the glare; it's like very shiny. Thank you.
Okay.
And guys, look at all of these cards. They gave us so much cards.
Okay. But guys, that will be the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And whoever gave us this, we will give you a shout out.
And guys, well, if you tell us who you are. By the way, guys, peace and Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye.